Now question number 1 is that solve equations by using calculator. Question number 1 is x plus y is equal to 3 and another is x minus y is equal to 7. Then how to do this question? How to do these questions? By tricks. Solve equations by calculator we have to do. Then how to solve these questions very immediately by the using calculator. So I will give you tricks from calculator to solve any kinds of question like this. Trick is that first go on mode, second 5 and 1. I will do here. We have to go first in mode. First you have to go in mode. Yes, first you have to go their mode. First go on mode. Second you have to plug this number 5. Third you have to go this one number. Then you have to apply coefficient of this x, y and constant term. From first you have to this coefficient of x, y, then constant term. From second equations, coefficient of this x, coefficient of y and coefficient of this constant term you have to use, then you will get answer. So I will use this. First we will go on constant term, that x1. We have to use this 1, then is equal to, there is also y1, then is equal to 3, then is equal to coefficient of x is 1 is equal to y minus 1 is equal to z, this 7 is equal to, so answer x is equal to 5 and another y is equal to minus 2. 5 and minus 2 is the answer. 5 and minus 2 is the answer. So we will solve also how to come this answer. This x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 7. So we have to do this plus y and minus y cut off. X plus x is equal to 2x and 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 and we have to put equation first in 5. X plus y is equal to 3. In case of x, we have to put value of x is equal to 5. So y is equal to 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. This answer and this value match. So this calculator give 100% right answer by these tricks. By this trick, the value of x and y is 100% correct answer. Let's will move question number 2. The trick is that mode 5-1 for solve these equations, and we will move on question number 2, that x plus y is equal to this 8 and x minus y is equal to 2. Then how to solve these questions? By using calculator. By using calculator to solve this equation. Suppose this equation is first equation and this x minus y is equal to 2, second equation. We have tricks by using calculator. Direct solution, shortcuts by using the tricks, direct tricks. Go on calculator, and the trick is that mode 5-1. So in this calculator, first we will move on. First we will move on this mode. We will go on move this mode. Then we have to click this 5 number. Click this 5 number and again click this 1 number, first number. Then calculator understand. You will move through this equation. And first we have to go this equation. This coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of y is 1 and constant term is 8. So first you have to write down in calculator coefficient of 1. There is also 1 y and constant term is 8. So I will go coefficient of x is 1. So I will go this. I will write this one and we'll move is equal to, again there is y means coefficient is 1, again I will move this one and is equal to, then constant term is 8, constant term is 8, then we have to go is equal to, for next equations coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is -1, and constant term is 2. So again we have to move, write down in calculator, coefficient of x is 1, then go and is equal to, coefficient of y is -1, then is equal to, and constant term is 2, there is equal to, then answer will come, x is equal to 5, and for y another y is equal to 3. I will prove how this answer come from this equation. Let's will move for prove these equations. Now we'll prove x is equal to 5 and y is equal to this 3. So x plus y is equal to 8. Question is x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 2. So this plus y and this minus y is cut. X plus x is equal to 2x is equal to 8 plus 2 is 10. So x is equal to 5. 10 divided 2 means x is equal to 5. Let put these equations in first. X plus y is equal to, suppose 8, their value is mentioned 5. Value is mentioned 5. So 5 plus y is equal to 8, then y is equal to 8 minus 5, it becomes 3. So this answer satisfies. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Then this answer is 100% accurate by solving calculator tricks. And we'll move on question number 3 by the use help of calculator. We'll move on question number 3. Question is that x minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. Then x plus y is equal to 8. X minus y is equal to 8. Solutions. We'll first do solutions. Then we'll do by using the calculator. As x minus y is equal to 2, x plus y is equal to 8. So this minus y and this plus y cut. X plus x, 2x is equal to 10. Then x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Then putting x is equal to 5 in equation first. This is first equation, this is second equation. As putting x is equal to 5 in equation first, then x minus y is equal to 2. Let the value of x is equal to 5. 5 minus y is equal to 2. And 5 minus 2 is equal to y. So that y is equal to 3. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. We have tricks of calculator to solve these types of question. We'll move on. Tricks. Trick is that for these types of question, any question for tricks for these types of equation, that is mode 5 and 1. That mode 5 1 is the trick of solving these types of equations. We move on calculator and putting this value. First we will go on calculator. There is mode. We will go on mode, then click this 5 number. Then we have to do this in 1 number, and we have to put the coefficient of equation first. Second, we have to put the coefficient of this equation second. Then we'll take the answer. So coefficient of x is 1. So we have to put 1, then is equal to, coefficient of y is -1. Coefficient of y is -1, then is equal to, and this is constant term 2. Then we have to put this 2, then is equal to. And second question said that coefficient of x is 1. 1, then is equal to, coefficient of y is 1. Then we have to go is equal to, and this is the constant term 8. So we will click this 8 numbers and is equal to. So what is the answer? For answer we have to use this is equal to, x is equal to 5. This answer is match x is equal to 5 for checking the answer. and y is equal to 3. There y is equal to 3. This answer is 100% accurate by solving calculator, as well as I will already solve this. We will move on question number 4. We will move on question number 4. We will move on question number 4. Let's x minus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3, and we have to solve first, and then we'll do by calculator tricks also. X minus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. Then we have to solve first this. X minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y, there is as x plus y is equal to 3. Then how to do this? Minus sign and plus signs we have to cut. This x plus x means 2x is equal to 5 plus 3 8, so x is equal to 4. Now putting x is equal to 4 in equation first. X is equal to 4 in equations first. So in this equation first there is given x minus y is equal to this 5, and for x is equal to 4, so x is equal to 4 minus y is equal to 5, and 4 minus 5 is equal to y, so y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1, so that x comma y value 4 comma minus 1. Let's take an examples uh, from the calculator. Is this correct or incorrect answer? We have to check from the calculator. We have to check from the calculator. Now we'll take this answer is 4 comma minus 1, and we have to check if this answer is wrong or right. This answer is wrong or right. Let trick is that trick is mode 5 and 1. Mode 5 and 1 is the trick for this question. So first go on mode. Then we have to click this 5 number. Then we have to click 1 number. Mode 5 1. Yes. Then we have to put the coefficient of x, y, and z. X is 1. For y minus 1, then is equal to this constant term 5, then is equal to first this is x means coefficient of 1, y coefficient of y is 1, and this is constant term 3. So answer is one answer is 4 and another answer is minus 1. One answer is 4, another is minus 1. So x comma y value is 4 comma minus 1. That is 100% right by using calculator also. Let's will move question number 5. Hmm. Question number 5. X plus y is equal to 5. Yes, x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5, and x minus y is equal to 1. How to solve this question? Solution first. X plus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 1. We have to solve. This is equations first, and this is again this plus y and minus y cut off. So x plus x means 2x. X plus x means 2x is equal to 5 plus 1 6. X is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3 in equation first. So x plus y is equal to 5. X value is mentioned 3. Then 3 plus y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 minus 3, which is 2. So the value of x and y is 3 comma 2. X comma y, value of x and y is 3 comma 2. X and y value 3 comma 2, which is the right answer. By calculator you can also check. By calculator you can also check the value of x and y. The trick is that mode 5 1 for this question. Mode 5 1 trick trick mode 5 1 mode 5 1. Let's move on calculator. Let's move on calculator. Mode this 5 number and first this 1 number, and we have to write the coefficient of this first equation and second equation, then answer will automatically come. X is equal to 1, then coefficient of 1, then is equal to y also coefficient 1 is equal to the constant of 5, then is equal to x coefficient 1 is equal to y minus 1, then 1, then you have to go is equal to, so answer will come x is equal to 3, and another times you have to also click is equal to for another answer, and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. That is right answer for this equations. For this equations. This much for today.